In this video, I'm going to show you how to X-ray in any version of Minecraft Bedrock. Now, the way this glitch works is that you need to go ahead and dig down just a little bit right over here. Please be sure to give yourself some space. Also, to do this, you will need 3 pieces of sand, 1 fence gate, and the potion of night vision is optional, but it will make the results far more better. So I recommend using it if possible. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to dig yourself out a little area just like so. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and place 1 fence gate over here. Then go ahead and give yourself some more space over here, and now you want to go ahead and place 2 sand blocks just like so. Then it is going to push you towards the fence. Then you will need to jump up, and you're now able to go ahead and stand over here in this area. Then go ahead and place your 3rd piece of sand on top, and now it's actually going to allow you to X-ray. So what you want to do is you want to carefully maneuver your way. It kind of does require a little bit of practice, but you need to go ahead and find the right spot, and then from here you're able to go ahead and actually X-ray and see what is going on. So we were able to do it with some trial and error, so please be patient. If you don't get it on the first try, you may need to go ahead and move around just a little bit. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.